Kamiti ya urumwe na wuiguano ni ikoretwo ikihunjia thayu kona ciothe cia bururi guku muingi na atongoria makihinyiririo bata wa thayu mbere hindi na thutha wa githurano. Muthenya wa ira kamiti ino iracemanagia na honge cia ugitiri o undu umwe na anyiti itemi matiganite kauntiini ya Murang'a kuria irareganire na uhoro ati ndikoretwo igitacokeria makinya ma kiwatho andu aria makuruhanio na miario ya gucogira ngui.
On the issues of hate, those cases that have been reported have always been investigated, and those that are in court, I think some of the cases you are even aware that they had been taken to court, some are still before court.
Na kuri andiki na nyumba cia mohoro commission ino ni yugite ona umagakuwa mutharaba wa kumemerekia ndeto yothe igicogera ngui kana rumena gatagati ka ndurire itiganite okelwa kimoria gukorwo mari maitho muno hari maundu ma umemerekia kahinda-ini gaka.
As a multi agent and as a stakeholder when it comes to our criminal justice system was to sensitize the police officers on what is it really makes up or meets that threshold in an investigated matter to ensure that we go through the entire criminal process successively.
Murugamiriri wa wabici ya thitango cia muingi kauntiini ya Murang'a Ngakumu akiuga mathomo maya mari na uguni munene kuri maabitha ugitiri kuona nio makanyita itemi nene kungituthuka ngahiha.
They are key when it comes to elections. They are the ones who provide security, and we felt that they need to have that requisite knowledge to handle election issues, offenses in terms of hate speech, electoral offenses, and the process of investigation.
Gakumu akahiuha gutetera NCIC kumana na korotwo ati ndikoretwo na ihenya ria gukinya fairu cia thitango wabici-ini cia DPP kuona ocira uyukagio na uritu na uira uria waheanwo niguo itua rigatuo na kihoto.
I believe we all know that the office of the Director Public Prosecution only deals with the prosecution of those cases that have been investigated and brought to us where there is actually sufficient, where we analyze, and if there is indeed sufficient evidence to prove that an offence has been committed, be it election offences or any other offences that are investigated by the investigative agencies, then it is indeed our mandate as an office to prosecute those wrongdoers.
Ngirifuatira Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.